Welcome back! In this video, we will use everything that we've learned so far and we will create some amazing words. If you haven't checked out the previous videos, they are linked down below. They are part of my free online course. Let's dive into the final video of this course. After practicing the lower and uppercase letters, you're starting to build up muscle memory. When I'm lettering, I normally break down the word and do a letter at a time, never the whole word at once. I end each letter with a tail and I lift my pen. This tail, normally a thin line, will be my connector for the next letter and it should intersect that tail. Here are a couple of words to start practicing your connectors. Hello, gorgeous. I start with a tail, thin stroke, and then a loop and a downstroke, thin stroke, downstroke. See how I lift my pencil every time that I connect a new letter, so I can put my arm in the right position and it helps me to see what I'm doing and how can I improve and if I'm doing the right thing. Downstroke, loop, downstroke, and lift. Now the word gorgeous, so I start with an oval shape, then a downstroke with the loop, then an oval shape. See my connector, I lift my pen every time that I'm doing a new letter or I need to break down the letters, so it's easier for me to see what I'm doing. As you can see, handwriting is way different from writing. I'm certainly not that slow when I'm writing down a note, but when I'm doing hand lettering, I take my time, kind of like drawing my letters one by one, see if they are in the right position, the right angle, thinking about the up and down strokes. Hand lettering can be mastered by anyone, you just need to put the effort and the practice. Practice after practice, drill after drill, you will start to build that muscle memory. You will not be thinking about when should I apply pressure, when should I release pressure, where is my connector. It will come with time and practice. If you got to this point, congratulations! During this course, we've covered all the basics of brush lettering to get you started. My last advice is to practice, practice, and, well, practice. To help you during this process, don't forget to download my free practice sheet. The link is down below. I also have a workbook for sale at myprintscollection.com with all the information that we've covered and all the practice sheets used during this online course. Follow me on Instagram and don't forget to tag me. I would love to see your progress. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will be posting every week brush lettering tips and tutorials such as faux calligraphy, bouncing, flourishing, blending techniques, and so much more. It will help you find your lettering style. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.